Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 12th May 2022, and after achieving our 6.2 percentage in May, market is not stopping there, and today the second combination Ichimoku date literally collapsed Bank Nifty, and Nifty has given genuine sell today because yesterday it gave a sell and today it has become genuine. So Nifty and Bank Nifty is literally not looking good at all. And this is what I'm telling for the last 3 months to be careful from April 5th onwards when my system gave a fake sell, fake buy. So things are not looking good, and Nifty and Bank Nifty closed below the weekly bearish number. Let's say, and many people are talking about Friday the 13th, which is going to be a bad day because Friday the 13th are really normally it's considered to be a devil day, but not for the markets. Please understand, not for the markets. And if you go and do observation, mostly the Friday the 13th market closed in green. So let's see. I don't know. When somebody asked me about this, I made a video for my followers that how Friday the 13th was a bullish day, and I have showed scenarios till 2020, and you can do your back testing before also. I think even in 2019, the Friday the 13th, I think the candle was in green. I don't know whether the market that point of time the scenario was different, and this time the scenario is literally different. I don't know. Market repeats. These kind of things. Market always remembers. Let's see whether market is going to show at least one day green tomorrow. But based on the systems, literally it is looking ugly. And today Nifty closed below the channel pattern also. And any close below March 8th low 2022, then the lower low formation will again start. And I know it is lower high recently, which happened on April 5th, I believe, where our signal gave a fake buy. And if it breaks March 8th low, then it will become lower high, lower low. So again, market will. I don't want to talk about all that. People will think that I'm a bad person. I'm not a bad person or a bull person. But this time, I'm again telling from October 18, 2021 to be very, very careful on the market. And I made the video also and clearly said why 18th October is so special and how market topped out on October 19th. And I've given some figures also on Nifty. So right now, I see roughly around 14,200 level. But even in this market, index was clearly managed, but most of the stocks are trading at 2019 low. Okay, so looking very, very dangerous. And the way cryptos are correcting, 15%, 18% in a day. I think one crypto is down by roughly around 80% in a day. All those are happening, and Nasdaq, Dow Jones, everything closed below the critical level yesterday. I don't know where the market is going to head, but literally we are in pain, and that is what I am telling for the last 6 months. Let's see, either at least tomorrow, shall we see a green color candle based on the Friday the 13th? Let's watch. So now let's go. Anyway, 907 number is literally rocked again. This was the sell number. This was the buy number. 1640 was the buy. Today high is not even 1640. Activated, sell activated, and all the targets achieved. 15,851. And everybody talked about Devil's Day. So then I made the video. 90% of the time, Friday the 13th is bullish for market. Let's watch tomorrow. And I've given why. This is the video which I made for my followers. And I given a why also. You can go and do the back testing. Take the Friday the 13th dates and go back and see what happened. But I'm not saying that is going to repeat here tomorrow also, because this time the scenario is literally bad. But market remembers the past. Let's watch tomorrow. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. No need to talk about the graph and show more and more pain. So first thing first, 1 minute. 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 1 minute yesterday itself it closed to below the weekly game changer number. Today, Bank Nifty also closed to below the weekly bearish number. So that is why I'm saying very, very bearish on the market. And Ichimoku date of Bank Nifty literally collapsed. And from 9th low, we are literally achieved more than 500 points in Bank Nifty and 250 points in Nifty already done from 9th low, which was the important date. So the next important dates is coming on 18th and 27th. So watch out for 18th and 27th. Let's see whether market is taking a bottom there. But as I already told you, there will be a bottom in May, but I have told you very clearly, people are talking about before 3 days itself, market is made a bottom. I said very clearly, that is not the time to make a bottom for the market. The dates are going to come and it may be 18th or 27th. Let's watch. Okay. And all this I've already talked about to you yesterday. So if you go to targets today, all targets achieved, nothing to talk about. And I clearly mentioned yesterday that, below 19,995 bulls will cry. And that is what happened today. Many people went long yesterday and we went long in Bank Nifty yesterday. And when it opened, we went long at 34,800 call and at 165. And today it opened at only 15 rupees. So we closed our position, but we made a solid money in Bank Nifty. I will show you how we made that money. Okay, so Bank Nifty, this was a very important level. It broke and closed to below this level. So break below this level. Next level is this. Most probably tomorrow we may see this level. That's all. These are all the very, very important support levels. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. So now let's go to tomorrow's PPT. Okay, so the savior for number for mark this number in Nifty 15,625, 15,625, and for Bank Nifty 32,976. So watch out for these two numbers tomorrow. These two numbers tomorrow. Okay, this I already talked to you. Lower low formation, close to below the weekly numbers, channel pattern. Be cautious. So history says Friday the 13th will be bullish candle. Let's see how it is going to plan out for tomorrow. Okay, but we will buy only based on our signals. Only if fortune signals gives a buy on 5 minutes, we will buy. Otherwise, we will not buy tomorrow, right? So any close below today's low in Bank Nifty, any move before below today's low in Bank Nifty, expecting another 1,500 points correction in Bank Nifty, because today was a very, very crucial date for Bank Nifty, and it's a combination date also, right? So I think again, this guy closed to below 2164. So we need to close the position today, but nothing is happening in the market. And tomorrow, watch out for this two counters, ITC and Petronet. This is a TCD date, and today these two people down more than more than 4.5% today. So below 15 minutes low, it's all gone for a toss. And weekly expiry was clearly worked. 30 minutes high and low. 30 minutes high is not crossed. Once it closed to below 30 minutes low, massive selling today. No need to do a lot of option chain analysis. Plus 30 minutes high and low on a weekly expiry, on a monthly expiry will rule the market. Okay, so these are all observations. Okay, so now tomorrow I've given the numbers for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is mega number for Bank Nifty. Watch out for this mega number and break below this number. Again, this is also one mega number. So watch out for these two numbers. That's why I underlined these two numbers. Watch out for tomorrow in case if it comes tomorrow. Otherwise, if it goes above this number, you can simply buy with the stop loss of 33 points in Nifty and the Bank Nifty roughly around 108 points or 99 points. Watch out, whichever is suitable for you. And again, here both the numbers are in minus. So this will act as a resistance for Nifty futures. And here again, all in red. Okay. So now Bank Nifty achieved the target till this one. So expecting the last one tomorrow. This was the last, there is one more number, which I've already mentioned in my PPT. So all targets achieved in Bank Nifty for this week. And Nifty, till now it has achieved this number, 15,876. So waiting for this number. And close below 15,625, bulls will die. And more or less people are like that only. See, I went for a meeting today, everybody was crying. the way in which market went up. Now, this is the lesson for most of the people, those who don't know anything about the market, come jumping and then started doing some nonsense in the market, and everybody was ripped apart now. Anyway, so this is what I want to talk about. So let's see Friday the 13th whether it's going to be bull or bad. Okay, now I'll show you how we captured the entire points in Bank Nifty today. Okay, so and we covered all the portion today, and today we went, and I clearly mentioned this at 11 p.m. that according to me, one side big move still pending today on the short side based on the premium rates. We don't do a lot of option change, just observing the premium rates itself, we can identify whether market is going to go down or go up. So after 11 after 11 a.m. market went very badly, and we initiated a sell call in Bank Nifty. We initiated a sell call in Bank Nifty. I don't know where it was. Okay, so I don't know to go and check all this. I will show that in my system. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty in 1 minute. See, what's this signal? What's this signal? This is a weekly expiry, but see how my system works. Okay, so now gap down. So we need to close our yesterday long portion in Bank Nifty, and we didn't take any long portion in Nifty as I clearly mentioned yesterday. So it came down and we waited for the opportunity to go and touch our blue. Exactly, it went and touched, and this is why I said I'm going short. So please go short. So we went short exactly on the high, because whenever if it is in sell, we will wait for it to come and touch the blue. So it came and touched the blue, and from there it started falling. See the system now. Okay, so it gave a buy, but the next candle is not closed above this candle. So this is not a buy. This is a fake buy to trap people. And exactly my system able to catch that. And it says, stay in short, don't cover your short. And again, market started falling, came down. Here we closed our position. So we went short around 36,074 level, 34,074 level, and we covered at 33,500. So this 1 minute thing, see how it works perfectly. Just short, wait. If you are not able to short here, no problem. Wait for it to come and touch the blue. That time you initiate the short. And that is what we did today. Yeah, this is what it is. Based on 1 minute system, you need to go short at 1 minute blue. And that is what happened. Okay, so yeah, so we went short and we are able to cover the entire thing today based on our system. And even if you go to Nifty, no need to talk about this. See here, it came down exactly. This was a gap down open, came down, exactly came and touched the blue here. And that is where we need to go short. And again, it gave a buy, but this is not a genuine buy. And this is where the people will get trapped. And we need to just sit in case if you are more aggressive, you can go short. Yet the stop loss is not even 10 points for Nifty. And again, it came down. Again, this is not a fake. It is again a fake buy because none of the candle closed above this candle. So again, this is a fake buy and came down. And here we closed our position because this candle becomes the genuine buy after the buy came. So we didn't cover the entry here. We covered here and closed all our positions. We are holding nil position today. Only one GNFC lot we took. Let's show GNFC for today. And one more query has come to me to watch 2 more stocks. Okay, so watch out for these 2 numbers. This is very crucial on weekly for GNFC. 676 and 645. 665 is a Vedic number. Okay. Sorry. 665 is a Vedic number, and these 2 numbers are my fortune signals red and blue on a weekly. So watch out for this guy. Close below 645, it will definitely looks ugly. It will definitely looks ugly, but possibility there may be some kind of a pullback here. Maybe if it gives 5 minutes buy, we may enter the stock tomorrow on aggressive mode. But till now, on 5 minutes, it is in bearish. And Nifty has not given any signal to buy. Even till yesterday, it was in 5 minutes bearish only. So there is no buy call, because this is again, yesterday it gave a buy. See this, yesterday it gave a buy on 5 minutes, but again it's a fake, because none of the candle closed above this candle. We need to buy only if it closed above the bullish candle. The same pattern, this works even for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, all that. So now it has given a buy, but the none of the candle closed above the buy. This is what we call it as trap, which is a fake buy to induce people to get into the market, and they will topple out everything. And today Nifty, if you go on 1 day, even though it is in sell, it has given more sell today. So yesterday, now it has become genuine, because yesterday this was a sell and it has become genuine today. So things are not looking good. So be very, very careful. Let's go and talk about these counters. Dow, what happened again? And I think it is falling on a weekly. Yeah, it has broken this level. Literally not looking good. And on weekly, it has given a sell. S&P, Nasdaq, no need to talk about this guy. And it is closing, going below 12,318, which was a very, very crucial number, and which was the monthly support also. So we need to see whether this month it is closing to going to close above or not. Things are literally not looking good. I think the way in which stocks are falling, I think the pain will be more and more than March 2024. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm not scaring anybody. Please do your homework and consult your financial advisors before taking any investment decisions. According to me, things are not looking good, and this is what I'm telling for the last 6 months. So watch out. Be careful in the market. Don't go any aggressive position. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.